Mini CNC Router 8060. Item specifics: CNC or not CNC. Condition new. Model number USB CNC machine 8060Z 2.2 kW 4-axis. Spindle motor: 2.2 kW. Communication interface: USB 2.0, Mach 3 control. High equipment Mini CNC Router 8062.2 kW CNC machine with USB port, 4-axis cutting machine 6090 for wood, metal, copper. Our main products: 3020, 3040, 6040, 6090 CNC router engraving machine 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, with 230 watts, 500 watts, 800 watts, 1500 watts, 2.2 kW spindle. High equipment Mini CNC Router 8062.2 kW CNC machine with USB port, 4-axis cutting machine 6090 for wood, metal, copper. Introduction. This is a very good era. In the past we only can see the CNC machine equipment in factory, but now, the CNC equipment has been into our lives. Whether you are a small or medium enterprises managers, project engineers, CNC enthusiasts or artists, related students, there are something on this machine will attract you. It can help you to save labor, improve production and processing efficiency, make more profit. It can help you to make prototype products quickly, shorten the design cycle. It can help you processing a lot of parts, whether you are modeling or home decoration or creative DIY. It can help you intuitively to learn CNC knowledge. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.